This is a 2000 model Ford F150 with, I believe that's the 5.4 liter V8. I believe that's what that is. This is my neighbor's truck. Doesn't look bad from here. You get underneath, there's a lot of rust. He is complaining about a ticking coming from the exhaust, and it's gonna show you what I'm seeing. Bear with me just one second. Everything right now is currently wet. I just sprayed it down with some PB Blast, and you can see right there, there is broken exhaust bolt that goes into the cylinder head. Right there looks like a second broken bolt. It's not in the exhaust. There's one there, very rusty. Forgive me, I'm trying to focus on that. There we go. So that's the ones I can see there. Let's see if I can pick out the other one here. One there, very rusty. The ones on the underside. This is underneath the truck looking up on the right hand side, and trying to focus on that, but there's the head of one of them. Not a lot of meat on that to really bite down on. Hard to focus. Same on that one, not a lot of material there to really grab. See if I can get that better focus. That is the bottom side. Look at that. Not even one on that. That's the bottom exhaust manifold, and if you look, that's part of the exhaust manifold gasket dangling there. Didn't realize that's what that was. And looking down, so yeah, broken one right there. That one's there. Again, rusted out, not a lot of anything to grab. There is another one right there. Not, that one looks bad too. It's gonna be a bad job.